Happy Friday. It is pre-market as I record this. It's not quite 8:30 Central Standard Time, my time, but I want to point out a couple of things for those who are paying attention or who are just curious and want to see what's happening. We've got NIO. Now, midweek, I did a video and I asked the question in the video, is big money, is Wall Street buying NIO stock? I talked about the trade volume, which, by the way, I have at the ticker on the bottom of the screen very intentionally. This is one of the things I watch in the short term. What we've got is an early morning pre-market spike of the price, and we've got elevated levels of buying. This is not quite real-time accurate, but 419 is the USD price. There were over 3 million shares traded, and that was about 8 a.m. Central Standard Time when I looked. That's a big number pre-market for NIO. So these are the things I watch. The day before, NIO did make a move up, but it wasn't on big volume, 45 million shares traded. The day before is the day that I did this video. And this is the video, interestingly enough, that might be getting buried on Twitter. I'll show you that in just a second. But if you haven't watched this, you might want to check it out. It's about a 4-minute video. I tried to keep it concise and quick. I didn't do timestamps because it's a quicker, shorter video. But I'm just curious, is Wall Street buying NIO cheap before earnings? And was that kind of a push down price entry level for some of the big money? And now, with that in mind, if I accidentally, maybe accurately called big money buying NIO stock, then maybe that's one of the reasons that I did both of these posts. This is the video link that I posted, and look at the number of total views, 173 views. Normally I'll get anywhere from 500 to 2,000 views. So only 173. And also, interestingly enough, I did a poll about the same time on the same day. The poll has had 556 views and 105 votes. It's got almost as many votes as this has total views. So I'm just curious. I want to hear from others. What do you think? Did I call it right? And are they burying me, keeping me quiet on Twitter with that video link? I don't know, but this is one of the things I will be watching this week. It's a brand new video from NIO. I'll be checking it out actually over the weekend. We've got the long weekend, so I'll be checking this out and seeing what NIO is sharing about their energy transition and the energy storage. Of course, we've got NIO coming out with delivery numbers. That'll be over the weekend, probably a 20,000 or better number for the month of August. And then next week, we've got earnings. It should be, I think it'll be the best earnings NIO has had to date. So let's see if we don't see these continued or elevated levels of trade volume with possible big money buying NIO stock. Thanks. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. I'll see you all again very soon.